Hey Faith, my mom was on that new low-calorie diet.
Yeah, don't you have to eat the same food she eats?
Yeah, yuck. So I asked my mom, what's the healthiest way to cook my favorite food, French fries?
Mine too.
But she says she had no idea.
Well, let's figure it out.
Hi, I'm Ayla Rutherford.
And I'm Faith Jennings. We're here proudly representing the Felicity-Franklin FFA chapter here in Ohio.
This is how we developed our exercise, not extra fries experiment, using the 7-step scientific method, which we got to use firsthand, instead of just hearing about it in science class.
The 7-step scientific method states, Step 1, asking your question.
Step 2, researching the question.
Step 3, making your hypothesis.
Step 4, testing the question by experimenting.
And Step 5, analyzing your data.
Step 6, concluding the overall question.
And Step 7, sharing your results.
We developed a great amount of experience using this method during our experiment.
In our experiment, we tested if cooking French fries 3 different ways would change the amount of calories. Our hypothesis states if researchers cook a French fry in the air fryer, in the convection oven, and deep fry them, then the French fry will contain the least amount of calories after being cooked in the air fryer.
Our independent variables are the French fries after being cooked the 3 different ways. We were able to operate these cooking devices with the help of Flint Scientific, CNET News, and Penn State University. We cooked each batch of French fries for 8 minutes each time. That way our results will be accurate.
The control variable were the thawed French fries, and the dependent variable were the French fries after being cooked in the 3 different appliances.
We were able to access these cooking appliances with the help of Heather Talby, the high school FCS science teacher. Our agriculture education teacher, Holly Jennings, helped us perform our experiment procedure, and Mr. Brian Binion helped us create our calometer designed by Flint Scientific.
The calometer we created was an inexpensive way to find the amount of calories in the fries after cooking them. After we tested them using the 3 different appliances, we weighed 4 French fries per trial from each batch out to the same amount of grams.
We then used butane lighters to burn the sample fries under a pop can full of water, which was our calometer design. We then measured the temperature change of water and put it into an equation with the starting weight of the fries. We repeated the calometer testing process for each batch 3 times for better validity until we had enough data to complete our experiment.
Our experiment was related to Flint Scientific's because we used the same process and idea of the calometer.
We also took notice of the ways the different appliances worked to create our hypothesis.
Our experiment showed that after cooking the French fries in the oven, that resulted in the least amount of calories. Therefore, our hypothesis was wrong about the air fryer resulting in the least amount of calories.
Testing our experiments did have some limitations. There are also many things we could have done differently.
We could have done the experiment more than 3 times to have more accurate results.
We also could have used another food other than French fries and used other cooking methods.
We found that after cooking the French fries 3 different ways, there was barely a difference in the amount of calories, not even a full calorie. In conclusion, our inference that the air fryer will result in the least amount of calories was incorrect.
In the food industry, many expensive appliances are highly promoted, but don't necessarily produce the food differently or healthier.
We want to stop consumers from buying those expensive appliances that do no different job than the appliances they have at home. We were guilty of being attracted to the appliances that claim health benefits.
Next time, we know to just cook the French fries in the oven for a slightly healthier outcome. But it's probably just better to exercise if I grab those extra fries.
Thank you.